Hello kids, Shubhamangalam. Welcome to MAARGDARSHAK Play School. Myself Mrs. Nazrina taking subject English. In our previous class we have learned strokes. Yes, four types of strokes, four types of lines. In today's class we will learn remaining. Okay. So for which strokes we have learned in our previous class? Standing line, sleeping line, slanting line. Yes, how standing line will be? How standing line will be up to down. No, this is what standing line. Which line is this? Standing line. Which line is this? Sleeping line. Which line is this? Sleeping line. And which line is this? Slanting line. Yes, slanting line. And this is also slanting line. Standing line, sleeping line, slanting line, slanting line. Yes, already we completed this in our previous class. Today we will learn some more. Yes, next circle. You all know moon. How moon will be round? No, round in shape. So this is what? Curve. No, half circle. No, half circle. Curve. Yes, curve line. So this is what? Left curve and this is right curve. This is known as left curve and this is known as right curve. Left curve, lines means if the line, if it is straight, we will call them lines. If it is straight, this line is also straight, standing straight, sleeping straight, slanting also straight. But here this is curve, it is bend, it is not a line. No, it is a bend, it has a bend. So it is what? Curve. Yes, left curve, right curve, left curve, right curve. This is known as left curve. Yes, which hand you will use to write? Right hand, no? So this is right curve and this is left curve. Yes, right hand side, right curve, left hand, left curve. Yes, left curve, right curve, left curve, right curve. And what is this? You all know this. What is this? Circle. What is this? Circle. No? Left curve, right curve, circle. Circle means full curve, no, complete curve. Here it is half curve. Left curve, right curve, circle. Left curve, right curve, circle. Say once again. Left curve, right curve, circle. Left curve, right curve, circle. Shall we write? Yes. Each stroke you will write two pages. Yes. Left curve you will write 2 pages. Right curve you will write 2 pages. And circle also 2 pages. Okay. Left curve. Say and write. Left curve. Touching the first 3 lines. Touching the first 3 lines. Left curve. Right curve, touching the first 3 lines. Left curve, right curve, left curve, right curve. Once again, left curve. Which curve is this? Left curve. If it is straight, we will call them lines. This is not straight, it has a bend, no? So it is a curve. Left curve, right curve, touching the first 3 lines. Yes, touching the first 3 lines. Left curve, right curve. And what is this? Circle. You will touch the first 3 lines and write circle. Complete circle. Complete. Circle. What is this? Circle. Once again, start from the red line, touch the second blue line and go up. Yes, circle. You will start from the red line. You will come down, touch the second blue line and again go up. Circle. Left curve, right curve, circle. Say, left curve, right curve, circle. Once again. Left curve, left curve, right curve, touching the first three lines, right curve, circle, left curve, right curve, circle. You will write left curve 2 pages, right curve 2 pages, circle 2 pages. After that, after completing these 3, what you will do, you will write all these 3 in one paper. Yes, left curve 2 pages, right curve 2 pages, circle 2 pages. After that, you will write all 3 curves in one paper. Yes, left curve, right curve, circle. Yes, all these 3 will be in. After writing these 3, left curve 2 pages, right curve 2 pages, circle 2 pages, you will write all these 3 curves in one paper. Left curve, right curve, circle. Write it neatly, touching the lines. You will touch the first 3 lines for left curve, right curve, and also for circle. You will touch the first 3 lines. Curve. Yes, these are curve lines. No, left curve, right curve, circle. Yes, left curve, right curve, circle. You will touch the first 3 lines. Again say, which line is this? Left curve, yes, right curve, and next one is circle. These 2 are what? Off circles, no? Off circles. Left curve, off circle, right curve, off circle. Now you will write complete circle, full circle. Circle, yes, left curve, right curve, circle. Now your homework is, you will write left curve 2 pages, right curve 2 pages, circle 2 pages. After that, you will write all these 3 in one paper. So how many strokes we have learned? Yes, which line is this? Standing line. Which line is this? Standing line. Then sleeping line, slanting line, slanting line. Once again, standing line, sleeping line, slanting line, slanting line. Yes, in today's class, what we have learned? Left curve, yes, right curve, circle. So these are the strokes. We have 7 types of lines. Yes, standing line, sleeping line, slanting line, slanting line, left curve, right curve, circle. Once again say, standing line, sleeping line, slanting line, slanting line, left curve, right curve, circle. Once again say, standing line, sleeping line, slanting line, slanting line, left curve, right curve, circle. So what we have learned today? Strokes. Yeah, different types of strokes. So whichever stroke you finish, if you finish standing, sleeping, slanting, you go for curve lines. Okay, 2 pages. All the strokes you will write 2 pages. Each stroke 2 pages is your homework. Okay, each stroke 2 pages is your homework, and you should be able to recognize. You should be able to recognize whichever line I will draw on the board now. You will be able to answer it. Okay, whichever stroke I will write on the board, you should be able to give answer. Now say me, which line is this? Yes, sleeping. Which line is this? Sleeping. Which line is this? Sleeping. Next, what is this? Yes, which stroke is this? Circle. Which stroke is this? Circle. Which stroke is this? Circle. Next, which line is this? Standing line. Which line is this? Standing line. Which line is this? Standing line. Next. What is this? Left curve. Yes, left curve. Next. Which line is this? Yes, are you able to give answer? That means you are perfect with strokes. Yes, very good. So which line is this? Slanting line. Which line is this? Slanting line. Next, which curve is this? Right curve. Which curve is this? Right. Left curve, right curve. Left curve, right curve. Next, which line is this? This is also slanting line. This is also slanting line. Yes, once again say which line is this? Sleeping line. Which line is this? Sleeping line. Circle. Standing line. Left curve. Slanting line. Right curve. Slanting line. Again, once again say sleeping line. Circle. Standing line. Left curve. Slanting line, right curve, one more slanting line. Yes, again say which line is this? Standing line, sleeping line, slanting line, slanting line, left curve, right curve, circle. So we have learned different type of strokes. So each stroke you will complete 2 pages in your classwork, and you will be able to recognize which line is that. So when you are writing in your classwork, you will say, if you are writing left curve, you will say and write left curve, touching the first 3 lines. Left curve, left curve, left curve. So whichever stroke you are writing, you will repeat and write, so that when I ask you which line is this, you should be able to recognize and say yes or no. So when you are writing, when you are doing your homework in your English 4-rule classwork, you will say and write each stroke, so that you can recognize that. Complete your work and do it very neatly and learn. Thank you, children.